Hello, third graders, and welcome to your tutorial on how to upload your passion project to our Flipgrid. If you start in classwork in the Google Classroom, and under Passion Project Presentations, you'll see Flipgrid link material. Click there, and you will get access to our Passion Project third grade Flipgrid. Clicking that will bring you right to the sign-in. You're going to want to use your username and password here. It is case sensitive, so you want to make sure that you use uppercase when needed. For example, mine has an uppercase E. Then I click Let's Go. Here you'll find your Flipgrid third grade passion project. Scrolling down, you'll notice that there's one topic here that says say hello to your classmates. But this says two topics, so if you click this, you'll see that there's also the passion project. We wanted you to practice using Flipgrid with the say hello to your classmates. It's very simple to do this. You click on the project and then you scroll down to the plus button. Once you have done that, you can see me now, and you'll hit record here, and it will record what you are saying and then share it with the whole entire classroom. So I'm going to make a quick recording right now to say hello to my friends. Here we go. Hello, third graders. I hope you're all doing well. I miss you. Mwah. And I hit pause and next. I can review how my video turned out and make sure I like it. I can add more to my video if I wanted to, but I'm just going to click next. Then I get to take a cool selfie. Before I want to add a sticker or two to my selfie. Oh yeah, that's good. And I want to put it right here and make it a little bigger. And maybe I want to add some words. Or I don't want to write. Oh, I could color. I could add some other things. I could do a lot. Oh, there's the words. Here, let's type something. Hi. There we go. So now I can take my selfie. Is that a good enough selfie? I think so. Then I'm going to say hi to my classmates! Exclamation point. And submit video. And I'm all set. Your teacher will then approve your video once they see it and send it. Now, your other video is going to be in your passion project. So I went back up, topics, and clicked passion project, and you'll see that it says passion project right here now. I'm going to scroll back down and you'll notice that I have actually already made a passion project. So go take a look at that video. I did it just like I did the Hello Third Grader project, Flipgrid. I clicked the plus button and I recorded myself. I only had 1 minute and 30 seconds, so I practiced what I was going to say before I said it. And I had everything that I needed in front of me so that I didn't have to leave to go get it. You can record your video over and over again if you want. You're only done when you say you're done. After that, go check out everyone else's video in the third grade Passion Project Flipgrid. I can't wait to see all the projects you have been doing. It's been fabulous seeing the work thus far. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye.